In this question, we're told that there are only blue cubes, red cubes, and yellow cubes in a box. The table below shows the probability of taking at random a blue cube from the box. The number of red cubes in the box is the same as the number of yellow cubes in the box. And in part A, we need to complete the table with the unknown probabilities. Now we know that the sum of probabilities is equal to 1. Now since we're told that the number of red cubes in the box is the same as the number of yellow cubes in the box, we can say that the probability of taking a red cube is equal to the probability of taking a yellow cube. So let's start by doing 1 take away 0.2, which is equal to 0.8. And so we can say that 0.8 is the total probability of taking red or taking yellow. Well, now since the probability of taking red is equal to the probability of taking yellow, we can do 0.8 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.4. And so this means that the probability of taking red is equal to 0.4, and the probability of taking yellow is also equal to 0.4, since these probabilities are equal and add up to 0.8. We're now told that there are 12 blue cubes in the box, and in part B, we need to work out the total number of cubes in the box. Well, from our table, we know that the probability of taking a blue cube is equal to 0.2, and so we can say that 0.2 is equal to 12. Now in part B, it might be easier to work with percentages. 0.2 is equal to 20%, and so we can say that 20% of the total number of cubes in the box is equal to 12. Now before we continue with this question, we need to establish that the total number of cubes would be the value equal to 100%. Now since we know 20%, we need to work out 100%. Now to get from 20% to 100%, we want to multiply both sides by 5. 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60, and so we can now say that the total number of cubes is equal to 60, which we can write down in our answer box below. Now this question is worth 4 marks. In part A, we get 1 mark for doing 1 take away 0.2 is equal to 0.8. And we get the second mark in part A for dividing this value by 2 and for finding that the probability of taking a red is equal to 0.4 and the probability of taking a yellow is also equal to 0.4. Now in part B, we get 1 mark for establishing that 20% is equal to 12, and to get to 100%, we need to multiply by 5. And we get the second mark for correctly multiplying 12 by 5 and for finding that the total number of cubes in the box is equal to 60. And so we've now achieved the full 4 marks needed in this question.